is Madhu Chaudhary and I welcome you all to my channel The Lifestyle Edit. Today I thought to share with you guys a basic eye makeup which you can replicate every day if you wish to. And this is very simple actually, there's nothing much to do. The colors are very light and very daily wear kind of colors. They can go on any kind of outfit you are wearing and suit anything or any kind of hairstyle or makeup that you wear. So without further ado, let's begin with the video and let me show you guys how exactly I did this eye look. So I have already done my left eye and same thing I'm going to replicate on my right eye. Let's see. I'll begin with the eyebrow first and I'm using this Nashio eyebrow kit. Next I'm going to use this Maybelline eye palette and I'm going to use this darkest brown shade. I'll just pat this color on the corners of my eyes. Next, using the same eyeshadow, same eye palette, I'm going to use this color, the lightest shade. I'll just put the color on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, using a fluffy brush, I'll mix both the colors. Next, I'm using this Lakme eyeliner. I'll use this Gala of London mascara. I'll put little bit of the same eyeshadows on the lower lash line. And voila, it's done. So I'm sure you are able to see how easy it was. I just used two eyeshadow colors, a mascara and some eyeliner, and that's it. It gives such a beautiful look to your eyes. So this is it for today's video. I'm sure you guys will like it and you can definitely replicate this look on everyday basis, whether you are going to office, to college, on some function or some other occasion, some small meetup or gathering with your friends or family. This will make your eyes look so beautiful and so amazing. You should keep the entire face makeup to the minimal and just do this eye makeup and see how amazing you will look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell button beside the subscribe button, so that every time I upload a video you guys would get a notification and you can watch my video without a problem. Don't forget to watch my other videos. So this is it for today's video. See you soon, and till then, live crazy, be beautiful and keep your environment clean. Bye.